Hey girl, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm so excited. We're going to be unboxing and trying out the Slayglambox for September 2022. I am so excited for this box. But girl, can you hear this? I'm taking us back. I think every mom had one of these outfits. Like, did anybody's mom have these outfits? The whole thing? Like my mom did for sure. She had a red one and a pink one. I had to wear it because it looks like a duochrome jacket. It's like a purple with a blue tint. So I'm taking us back. Hopefully this doesn't get too annoying in the video is all I'm going to say, because these things are so annoying to wear. They're so loud. Like, girl, shh, chill out. So I'm just going to pull my hair back and let's get started, because I'm ready to try out Slayglam's box for September. We're starting with the eyes because I'm just so excited for this eyeshadow palette. So, of course, this is what I'm talking about. The star of the show, the palette, the Rasha Bees Cosmetics palette. This is a multi-chrome palette. You're going to get 12 pans in here. This is what it looks like. Fun fact, I believe this is Rasha's eye. So she has her eye on her own packaging. How cute. Look at these colors. Girl, I got this box in yesterday and I swatched these things and they are so pretty. The swatches are beautiful on this palette. I think that I'm going to use this shade and this shade. Looking at it this way, this shade looks green and this shade looks like more of a purple blue. But when I look at it in person, the top shade looks like more like a dark purple blue, and the bottom one looks like a brighter purple. So I'm just gonna go ahead and swatch the two really quick. Yeah, see, when I turn them around this way and I'm looking at it in the mirror, this one looks green and this one looks purple. So because this palette doesn't have any transition shades in it, I'm going to just use my bronzer that I'm going to be using here in just a little bit on my face, and it's the Physicians Formula. And I'm just going to take the bronzer shade and run that in my crease. And that will be my transition shade, because I just like to start with a neutral base. I do this with every single look that I do. For me, I don't know, but it's just easier to start out with that neutral shade. I might switch this one. I don't know yet. I hope that they apply to the eye as well as they apply on the swatch. So I'm just going to do my outer portion first. Yeah, see, that's coming off such a pretty purple. I love that shade. That shade is so pretty and it matches my jacket so well. It matches this like so good. I love that. Yes, that is exactly what I wanted. I'm not sure for this inner portion. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm going to I think just like test out this shade, because this shade looks like a blue. It's coming off more of like a blue purple. I'm gonna go back and add a little bit more of that dark purple in the center. I just love that dark purple shade so much. It's so freaking pretty. I'm just gonna go back and blend everything out. Ooh, I'm loving this though. I think it looks so pretty. I love how it shifts from the purple to the blue. It's really pretty. I like it a lot. Okay, so now the next thing that we're going to be trying out is going to be the Rasha Bees Cosmetics eyeliner. And there is 6 different shades. I got the purple shade, which is amazing. Ooh, look how pretty. So we're going to try this in the waterline. I don't know if I'm going to want this in the waterline. I might do this on the lower lash line. We'll see. It does look really cool. It's really light, but it's definitely a duochrome eyeliner. How cool is that? I think I'm going to put this under. This is the first time I've ever tried a duochrome eyeliner. Very smooth, pigmented for sure. It's not pulling on my eye or anything. It's very cool. It goes with my eye look really well, actually. But, you know, I think I still want to maybe darken it up. I just put the black eyeliner in my waterline, and then I took the Rasha Bees eyeliner and I used that underneath, which turned out really pretty. Okay, so I'm going to jump off camera really quick, finish up my makeup, and I will be back to try out some blush and highlighter and also the lipsticks that we got. Okay, girl, I am back. I am loving this eye look. I love it. I think it looks so good. Let's go ahead and try out the blush duo. This is from the Beauty Craft. I've never tried anything from them, so I'm excited to try out some of their blush. I'm going to try out the cream one first. Okay. I'm just going to... Ooh, it's pigmented. That's for sure. Blends out really nicely though. And you know, always, anytime that you feel like you've gotten too much blush, you can always take your beauty sponge and just run over top of it, sheer it out a little bit. That's a beautiful color though, and it blended out so easily, like no issues. Let's try a little bit of this powdered one, and I'm just gonna put it right over top, and it's just gonna give it a nice sheen, which I've been really loving lately. I've been really loving a good shiny blush. So I like this product. It's actually really nice. So now I'm going to do my bronzer really quick. So I got my bronzer and everything done. I'm going to try out this highlighter. So I'm going to just say, when you open the highlighter, it's got your holes where it sifts out. I was trying to pull the tab off and the whole thing like pops out, and I had highlighter spill everywhere. So when you're pulling the little plastic sticky tab off, just be careful. You're going to want to hold down this rim because it will pop out on you. I'm just going to take, I'm going to take my weird brush. You know, you guys already know I love to use this foundation brush for a highlighter brush. I have no idea why, girl, but this is my brush that I love to use for my highlighter, so it's what I use. But other than that, I don't know why. And I usually use it with a highlighter that is not loose, so we'll see how this goes. Ooh, very pretty though. Run a little down my nose. So it's like a golden highlighter. Love it. It's really pretty. I like golden highlighters, but I usually like any type of highlighter. I'm not too picky on colors. Like I love a pink, a rose gold, a gold, a white. I love all those highlighters. Like if it's a highlighter, I usually love it. So last but certainly not least is going to be this 8-piece lip stain set, which is amazing. I love the color options in here. So I'm excited to try this out. And this is from Manicadar. I'm probably gonna go with this nudie shade, but I love that it has like a red, a pink. It's got a few different shades of pink. It's really nice. Okay. And they smell so good too. Yeah, but I don't mind that they're the little mini ones because it comes with so many different options. It's like, well, you know, it's kind of the universal pack, you know? It's got something in here for everybody. So that way if you don't love a nude color and you would rather have a red color, you have that option, or a pink. So you got some options with this. I love that. So I am going to use a lip liner. These smell so good. Oh, that's a pretty color. Okay, girl, so a change of plans. I do not love this lip color with my eye look. The formula feels really good on my lips, but we're gonna switch this up. I don't care for that. It does feel really good though. It just doesn't go. So, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna take the Rasha Bees eyeliner and I'm gonna use this as a lip liner, and then I'm gonna put a clear gloss over it, I think. Let's try it and see. Okay. That's what my lips look like after they're lined with it. I'm just going to take my Too Faced lip injection, and this is just a clear gloss, and we're going to put over top. So now my lips will have the duochrome purple looking to match my eyes. I love that. Yeah, that looks so much better than the other lip color. So if you're not liking this eyeliner for your waterline or to use as the eyeliner, try it as a lip liner with a clear gloss and see if you like it that way. All it really does is just give your clear gloss a little bit of that duochrome iridescent look to it. That's all. So I'm going to hop off camera, do my lashes, and I will be right back. Okay, girl, so I got my lashes done. I absolutely love how this look turned out. I just think that the purples look so pretty. Purples, blues, whatever color it's shifting to and looking like, it looks beautiful. I really did like the eyeliner for underneath my lash line. I also used it as a lip liner and topped it with the clear gloss, which it looks gorgeous. So I hope that you guys were able to get this month's box. So of course, you know, for me, my favorite product out of this box was definitely this. This is a 10 out of 10 palette right here. This is a gorgeous palette. I love it. I cannot wait to play around with it some more and create some more looks. I really do like this little blush duo. I think that it is really nice. I love the cream blush. I thought it was gorgeous. It blended out really easily. Very pigmented. The powder one's really nice to top it with, so I did enjoy that. The highlighter is actually pretty good. It's a golden highlighter. I love highlighters. It is a brighter, I would say, highlighter. It stands out quite a bit, but again, for me, I love that. I really do like this eyeliner. I mean, it's gorgeous. Look at that eyeliner. Isn't that so pretty? And look, it's not smudging away either. That's amazing. Do you see that? It's not wiping away. How amazing is that? That's really nice. So if you do use it as an eyeliner and love it, it's not going to smudge anywhere. So that's nice. I love that. So I really did love the lipsticks. I didn't use them because, of course, girl, like, it's not going to go, just didn't go that good with this bright look that I decided to do today. But a lot of neutral colors, good colors in here. Definitely I can see using. I probably won't use a couple of the shades, but a majority of these I will definitely use because they are a neutral shade. So love this. The formula was really nice, buttery. They smell amazing. So I would say, like, for real, 5-star box here this month. I loved everything in here. I definitely can see using it, especially this palette. It's so good. I hope you guys were able to snag this box up, and if you're not, don't forget, I do have a sneak peek of next month. I will show it to you really quick if you didn't get the chance to see the spoilers video. But I'm so excited for that palette too. I cannot wait to get it. October is my birthday month, so it already looks like it's going to be the start to a good box, which I'm excited for. It looks like a very fall-time palette, so I can't wait to get next month's box already. But I am definitely going to enjoy this one. So let me know what you think down in the comments. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!